Fruit, lots of grapes, lots of blueberries, fresh vegetables, yogurt. Hummus is a good snack. Lots of water with electrolytes, greens. That's really the size of it. Lots of vegetables, lots of proteins from chicken and eggs and fish.
Hey rock stars. Welcome back to Healthy Tube Family. Today, we're diving into the secrets behind Jon Bon Jovi's timeless appearance. How does he manage to look 40 years old even as he hits 62? Stick around, because we've got the inside scoop. Jon Bon Jovi. Born as John Francis Bon Jovi Jr. on March 2, 1962, in Perth Amboy, New Jersey. John's father, John Francis Bon Jovi, sir, was a barber and a former Marine. His mother, Carol Sharkey, was a former model and one of the first Playboy bunnies. She met John's father after enlisting in the United States Marines. John has two brothers, Anthony and Matthew. His diverse heritage includes Italian, Slovak, German, and Russian roots. Musical journey. John's passion for music ignited early. He formed his first band, Rays, in 1974. By 1980, he had his original band, The Rest, and opened for acts like Southside Johnny and the Asbury Jukes. In 1983, he founded the iconic rock band Bon Jovi, which has sold over 130 million records worldwide. Their hits include Livin' on a Prayer, Wanted Dead or Alive, and It's My Life. Acting career. In the 1990s, John explored acting, starring in films like Moonlight and Valentino, The Leading Man, and Pay It Forward. He also appeared on TV shows such as Sex and the City, 30 Rock, and The West Wing. Legacy. Jon Bon Jovi was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 2009. His influence extends beyond music. He's a former majority owner of the Arena Football League team, the Philadelphia Soul. Let's know Jon Bon Jovi's secrets of staying young. Grapes and blueberries. Jon Bon Jovi is all about those antioxidant-rich fruits. Grapes and blueberries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and compounds that promote skin health and fight aging. Fresh vegetables. Leafy greens, colorful bell peppers, and crunchy carrots. John's plate is a rainbow of nutrients. These veggies provide essential vitamins and keep his skin glowing. Yogurt and hummus. Probiotics from yogurt support gut health, which in turn affects skin radiance. And hummus, it's a protein-packed snack that keeps him energized. Hydration. John hydrates like a champ, especially with water containing electrolytes. Proper hydration is key for youthful skin. No fridge for cucumbers and raw carrots. John avoids storing these in the fridge. Gluten-free pasta. While John isn't a fan, he acknowledges that a well-made gluten-free pizza can hit the spot. Big plate of pasta and chicken. Before a big performance, John loads up on carbs and lean protein. It's fuel for his rockstar energy. Peanut butter jelly sandwich. John's guilty pleasure. Who knew a PB&J could be part of a rock-solid diet? Morning workouts. John hits the gym at 7 a.m. Squats, chin-ubas, dumbbells. He's committed to staying fit. Tennis. His favorite sport. Tennis keeps him agile and competitive. Outdoor cardio. John runs outside, soaking up fresh air and vitamin D, playing with kids. On weekends, he's all about family time. Playing with the kids keeps him young at heart. Thanks for tuning in, rock stars. If you want to age like Jon Bon Jovi, remember, it's all about nutrition, hydration, and rocking those workouts. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health tips. Until next time, this is Healthy Tube Family signing off.